Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new bank rule. So once you upload your statement, transactions matching this rule, I'll post it automatically on your Zoho Books accounting software. To manage rules, you need to go to banking, and under each bank account, if you have set up some rules, you will be able to access manage transaction rules. This is a place also where we can add a new rule. So click on new rule and I will create a rule for bank charges. I will apply this one to withdrawals because bank charges are money coming out. So in my case, it will be withdrawal. I can select how this rule will be actioned. Even the following criteria matches. So if you have, for example, two criteria, then both need to be matching for transaction to be posted on Zoho Books accounting software. But you can select that one of the following criteria matches, then it will need to be recorded. So in my case, one of the two. So firstly, I can select if it's payee, description, reference number or amount. So in my case, it will be description, and description is, in that case, it need to match exactly, contains, so if there is 3 words but 2 are met, then transaction can be posted, starts with, or actually is empty. In my case, it will contain text, bank charges. I cannot select is because third word will be always referencing the month for which this bank charge relates to. So in my case, it contains bank charges, okay? And next criterion is a reference number, amount or payee, you can say. In my case, I will have a reference number. And reference number is, in my case, it's the same. So if this reference number or text that contains bank charges is met, it will be posted on my system. So I won't record this bank rule as expense, but you can decide to be recorded transfer to another account, sales returns, card payments or owner drawings. So expense, and account where I want to record it is bank charges. Okay, vendor, in my case I will select, I will select Green Limited. No, I will select blank, there is no vendor. And reference number, if there is, then I can select either I can enter manually or use values from bank statement. In my case, I will use values from bank statement and click save. So now bank charges rule has been added here. I can still delete it, or if I click on it, I can amend any information if it changes at a later point. Yeah. So this is the way how you can add and manage bank rules on Zoho Books accounting software. So if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.